All right, here we are, hole number two. Very similar approach to what I was doing yesterday. We're going to just kind of keep this ball guide kind of short in front of the hole, similar to this, with almost full backspin. So you can see I'm just a little bit off. Also going to keep this ball guide maybe just kind of offset a little bit like this, short. I'm thinking at least 15 rings in this case, maybe even 16. So there's 6 rings right there. $16 rings for a 12.0, making sure you don't add any extra power. Let's just see how this comes in. Looks like it's still coming in a bit hot and also, to the left. So you'll really need to kind of jack that ball guide to the right of the hole. As you can see, I'm really trying to increase that, and even at 16 rings, it's not enough. So, probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 17 out of 12. So, in terms of if we're setting up a 1-to-1, this is essentially a 1-to-1, as you can see, with a Power 2 sniper. If we needed for that a 17 ring adjustment, we're looking somewhere in the neighborhood of plus 40%. If you just want to use, no wind directional arrows or anything like that, and just try to standardize it with a Power 2 ball. This is basically assuming just a 1-to-1. And as you can see, at least a plus 40, maybe even, you may need to even sneak that to a plus 45. May just depend. You'll, start to get dialed in on that and take a look at what it looks like. The biggest thing is starting to, move that ball guide to the right. As you can see that it's really expanding out and going straight. And you can see I'm a whole green grid over here. So that means I need to get my alignment at least one more green grid to the right. So I need to use more side spin or start to get that aggressive line and actually make that ball guide straighten out at least a green and a quarter to a green and a half to the right of the hole. Because as you can see, I'm still at least at the very best case scenario, if I had perfect speed, one full green grid, but it's probably more along the lines that 1.5 green grids still to the left as well. So you'll need to really start to get that ball guide going over to the right. Good luck with that. Got hole, guys. As you can see, we're starting to get it. And if you want to use the Golf Clash notebook tool there, you can see more or less what the standard adjustment's going to be there for that hole. So good luck, and I'll see you guys on the next one.